Hey there, I'm Granville at Granville's Gourmet Ribs and Barbecue. Welcome to our factory. We've quickly gotten a reputation for having the best ribs and the best barbecue in town. And what makes us different? Why is that the case? First of all, because of flavor. We cook only with hickory smoke, and we use a dry rub that we season all of our meat with. Then we also cook at a low temperature, and we also have great sauce. Right here you can see some of our ribs that we cook, and you can see the kind of results that we get with those. We have a lot of customers that have come from the West, and they say that we have the best brisket they've had since they came from Waco, Dallas, fill in the blank. We keep a steady, constant temperature. Most of our customers comment about the smoke that you can taste in our meat. We also do a lot of chicken. We do smoked wings. We also have very popular pork skins that we smoke on this smoker. We've also become a very popular caterer here in Huntsville. Our customers love our food. The catering customers love it. Their employees always rave about it and want us to come back. And we have a number of side dishes, all that are made fresh daily, and they're all made Southern style. Collard greens. We also have green beans, baked beans, coleslaw. We have a special potato salad called baked potato salad. Now we've got a very special cornbread here. People love it. We have customers that get mad at us if we've run out. We have two big screen TVs. We play concert videos all the time of vintage rock and roll and blues artists and jazz.
Hi, my name is Wardell Bradford. I'm the manager here down here at Granville's Gourmet Barbecue and Ribs. The truth is in the smoke.
Well, I'm Granville at Granville's Gourmet Ribs and Barbecue. We hope you'll come in soon and find out why all the people in town are talking about this barbecue. Once you've had our ribs, you won't be dreaming anymore.